Hello, my technical friends. This is TestOut Hybrid Server Pro Core, and this is Lab 11.5.5, and we're going to create an Azure storage account and a file share. So you are the network administrator for your company. You are configuring Azure to help manage your network. You are synchronizing on-premise files to the cloud. The next step is to create an Azure storage account with a file share to sync the files to. So in this lab, your task is to create a storage account with the following options. Subscription is going to be CopNet Production, resource group is going to be CopNet Cloud, storage account name is going to be CopNet Store account, and the region is going to be US West US2. Redundancy is going to be Geo Redundant Storage, which is GRS, and we're going to create a file share name CopNet file share from within the storage account you created. Alright, so that is all we need to do in this lab. Let's go ahead and start up lab. So if by the end of this tutorial you find this video to be helpful to you, you also want to consider sharing this video, liking, subscribing, so that others can benefit also. Don't forget to turn on notifications so that you have access to a wide variety of educational material to help you in your educational journey. Also, don't forget to join our professional membership to help you with complicated TestOut lab by clicking on the join button that appears on this particular video. All right, so I guess we'll wait for the lab to load completely so that we can start up lab. Okay, so the lab has loaded. Let's go ahead and start up lab. Alright, so the first thing that we want to do is to let's maximize this, and then we create a resource. Click on this, and let's see. So we're gonna type in here STO. Let's search for STO. Let's see what we have. Okay, storage account, and we click on create. CopNet Production, we select this, and then resource group, we select CopNet Cloud, and then let's see what else. CopNet storage account, copy and paste this here. Storage region is going to be US West US2, so we select West US2. There's it here, and then performance standard and redundancy, you're going to select GRS. All right, so let's go ahead and review and see what we have. So I guess go ahead and create. All right, so we'll go ahead and check answers. Let's see if there's anything we're missing. Okay, so go to resource, file shares and file share. Okay, let's see. .NET file share. Copy this and we paste this here. File share names can contain only lowercase. Okay, so I think there's a space there, so we just remove the space. Ensure there is no space there. And then yeah, for this we'll go ahead and create. So we'll go ahead and check answers. So if you find this video to be helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe, and also turn on notifications so that you have access to a wide variety of educational materials to help you in your educational journey. Also, do not forget to join our professional membership so that you have detailed video guidance on how to solve any TestOut lab. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.